We're going to solve for r. I have an equation, and I always clear my fractions first, or at least 99% of the time I do. So I need to get rid of the p's in the denominator, and I'll do that by multiplying every term on both sides by p. And they tell me p is not equal to 0, so I know I don't have 0 on the bottom here. And I know I'm not multiplying through by 0, so I'm legal to multiply every term by p. And that gives me p squared minus, now these p's cancel, but you're left with two terms in the top with a minus sign in front of it. So that minus sign needs to go with both of them. Over here the p's cancel, you're left with r. So that's p squared minus 1 plus p squared equal r. R is already isolated. Combine your like terms. That gives you 2p squared minus 1 equal r. So your answer is D.